All right, let's do it. Yep.
Quite frankly, one of the scariest but stylish tricks done on a snowboard is the frontside board slide. At face value, it looks extremely challenging, right? But when you break it down piece by piece, you'll realize you're able to do it with time and a few slip outs. Because it's so unnatural, it's best to start off stationary, off snow. I use the training board to get the feeling of twisting your hips, aka the counter rotation. But one challenge is getting to 90 degrees on the feature. Usually it's the fear of going backwards on a rail that prevents a full 90-degree turn, but there's more. I have the Snowboard Addictions board, but like a log or a piece of foam works just as well. Another thing to keep in mind is stacking your upper body with your lower body. Sliding on the feature as perpendicular as possible to maintain your balance. If you're too much on your toe edge, you'll slip out. Here you can see how I inch my upper body forward a little bit to catch up with my lower body. Now it's time to take it to snow. You'll often hear people say speed is your friend, but not right now. Getting over the fear of going backwards will help a ton once you add speed. Close your shoulders away from the feature when you're approaching. Keep them aligned with your hips versus having your chest downhill. When you get to the feature, twist your hips and shoulders like you would off-hill to help twist back to your regular stance. Here's a great time to remember your off-snow training and the muscle movement needed to turn the board 90 degrees. Kick that leg back, fam. In the moment, you may freeze up and think you're going 90, but the lie detector determined that was a lie. The last tip I have is the most important. It's something I struggle with to do on snow and with women. Commitment is key, fam. If you're going for the trick, make it a must in your mind that you're going to do it and commit all the way to the end of the rail. When approaching from the side, the jump, the turn, 90 degrees midair, all of it, commit. With all tricks, progress isn't linear. You'll get it and then there'll be times you'll have to regain the trick. Be patient with yourself. You want to be in the park next season and the next, right? Best of luck. You got this.